Welcome to the TMC Newsroom. I am here in San Jose remotely with Wendell Black, who is the VP of Worldwide Sales and Marketing for Contactual. First of all, welcome, Wendell.
Thank you. Good to be here.
Now, I got a real kick out of talking to you already because we've mentioned my favorite product. But before we talk about my favorite product, let's talk about your company. And let's talk about the fact that you guys do a contact center solution that's for both email, voice, and text. So you service everything. And what was fascinating to me was I'm used to basically the guys who are doing the email and the guys who are doing the text and the guys who are doing the voice all being different. But through your product, the same employee can manage everything. Tell me about this.
Well, that's one of the key design attributes of the product, is to be able to take advantage of blending the agent across all those media types if in fact that serves your customer delivery model. We find that in many cases phone is still the dominant delivery. That's what everybody has to have primarily, but their web experience allows them to take a chat or take email from the web and be able to provide a better customer service when maybe they're not getting as many phone calls. So that blending and balancing works out really well for a better agent utilization. I guess we'd also say that that's one of the enabling technologies that gives a home-based agent a way to fit into the contact center. And with gas hovering around $4 a gallon and a need to maybe flex staff and have more part-time workers, having both a in-house and an at-home agent population that you're able to leverage gives customers and their employees a more advantageous way to do work.
And because you're a hosted solution, and you said you've got a zero footprint on the client, that makes it so that it's much easier for the company to take advantage of that flexibility.
Absolutely. I mean, the customer signs into a browser, the agent signs into a browser, and with log-on credentials, they are online and ready to take calls, emails, or chats. They can do that with a soft phone on the computer itself, so really no phone footprint other than the computer desktop. Or they can use a home phone or a PBX extension in the office. So you've got optimal diversity and leverage technology you have for as long as that makes sense. Or you can go PBX-less and go all thin client apps on the desk.
Okay, so now let's deal with that really cool device. There's this thing called the CR48, otherwise known as the Google Chrome Netbook, and it is, without a doubt, one of the more interesting new tools out there. And you were saying that you've got one customer who's utilizing that to do the service?
We do. We have a customer that just approached us here in the last month. And their challenge was they had been out to all of our competition trying to get this to work on the Chromebook that they wanted to deploy for their agents as a low-cost, thin footprint, kind of a deliverable. And the way we've designed our app, it is all thin client browser application with no downloadables, and it works great on their Chromebook. And at the same time, they're using Salesforce.com for their CRM. And the integration that we have out of the box ties our application with Salesforce and works like a champ on the Chromebook. So never really thought that we go push that as a deployment strategy or model. But I guess as people are looking for more and more economical ways to equip an agent and provide a platform that'll serve them, Google Chrome is offering a choice.
Excellent. Now, you're a worldwide solution, so tell me about that. You're hosted more than just the U.S. Tell me where else you are.
Correct. We're hosted in North America in several sites. We're hosted in Japan and Australia, and also in the UK to cover Western Europe, and that gives us the ability to get to clients wherever they may need to connect, both for the inbound call as well as delivery back to the agent. So we can serve customers where they need to be served and give them that global flexibility when they need it.
And you manage phone numbers from anywhere on the planet, in theory.
Yes, I mean these days, you can get a phone number for South Africa and have it ring in San Jose here if you wanted to, and we have some customers that need that kind of flexibility so they can get the right work from wherever in the world, to the right agent. And we still deal with a little bit of challenges based on the customer's network. That last mile is still the challenge, but with a little bit of work, we can take calls and deliver them almost anywhere.
Cool. I really appreciate your time, Wendell.
Thank you so much.